What's up guys, we're here and today we're checking out one of the most loaded 3-channel dash cams right now, the Vantrue N4 Pro S. What makes this special is that all 3 cameras use Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, not just the front. That means better low light performance, improved HDR, and clear license plate capture, even at night. This is a huge upgrade over most dash cams that only prioritize the front camera. So let's see if the N4 Pro S is really worth it.
Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing of the Vantrue N4 Pro S. So you receive a premium box and you're greeted with the QR code to get the app so that you could connect to the dashcam and your user's manual or owner's manual, and of course the main dashcam itself, the front dashcam, which has a 4K resolution for the front, and then HD quality or HD resolution for the third camera. So what I like about this one is that it integrates the third camera with the front camera so that it could be a single unit. So that means lesser wires when you're installing it inside your vehicle. Moving that aside, let's have a quick look at the rear camera. So this one has a 2K resolution and it's weatherproof and waterproof. So you could stick it outside your vehicle or the rear of your vehicle without worrying about this getting destroyed when it's exposed to the elements. So that's with that one. And you have your power cables for your dash cam, and underneath that you have your extension cable so that you could connect your front camera to the rear camera, and you have your static sticker or static films right here, addition promoter, wipe or cloth, and stickers. So that's pretty much it for the main box. Let's have a quick look at the hardware kit for the N4 Pro S. And what I like about this one is that it plugs straight to your OBD2 port. So no need to tap on the fuse box or any wire or change some fuses in your fuse box. It's a pretty much plug and go solution. And of course, the micro SD card for your dashcam. And it only requires one, unlike with other brands that has a 3-channel and it requires 2 separate micro SDs. So this one only uses one. Alright?
Let's go over the main features that really matter with the N4 Pro S. First is the true 3-channel recording with STARVIS 2. The front camera records in 4K, the rear camera in 2K, and the interior camera in 1080p. And all 3 use Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. This results in better dynamic range, less noise, and noticeably clearer footage, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Second is the PlatePix technology plus HDR. Vantrue's PlatePix technology combined with HDR is designed to improve license plate readability, whether it's bright daylight, oncoming headlights at night, or uneven lighting. Third is the infrared interior camera. The interior camera has infrared LEDs, allowing it to record usable footage even in total darkness. This is great for rideshare drivers, fleet use, or anyone who wants full cabin coverage at night. Fourth is parking surveillance support. With the hardwire kit installed, the N4 Pro S supports multiple parking modes such as motion detection, low frame rate, low bitrate recording, and collision event recording. Fifth is the built-in GPS and voice control. The dashcam has a built-in GPS logger that records your speed and route, and it also supports voice control so you can lock videos or control the camera hands-free while driving. Sixth is the large storage and fast connectivity. It supports up to 1TB micro SD cards, which means longer recording times before files loop. It also has 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster file transfer to your phone via the Vantrue app. 7 is the expandable accessories. You can add optional accessories like the hardwire kit for full parking mode, a CPL filter to reduce windshield glare, and an LTE module for remote access and alerts. And last but not the least is the IP67 waterproof rear camera, making it suitable for external mounting. Perfect for pickup trucks, SUV, and overland builds. So after running this on my truck, here's my honest pros and cons. First pro is the high quality video recording. The 4K front camera paired with a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor delivers excellent detail, especially when it comes to license plate clarity. The 2K rear camera also benefits from STARVIS 2, and with the HDR plus PlatePix, plate capture is genuinely impressive both day and night. Second is the excellent interior and low light performance. The infrared interior camera works really well in low light and complete darkness, making it reliable for night driving and cabin monitoring. Third is the useful optional accessories. Support for a hardwire kit, CPL filter, and LTL module allows you to expand functionality depending on your needs. Next up is IP67 rear camera. Having a waterproof rear camera is a big plus, especially for pickup trucks and outdoor focused vehicles where exterior mounting makes more sense. Number 5 is the built-in GPS and voice control. GPS logging is built in, no external module needed, and voice commands make it safer and more convenient to use while driving. And last but not the least is up to 1 TB storage support. Massive storage support means fewer overwrites and more peace of mind, especially when running 3 channels continuously. And now for the cons. First up is the mount stability. The included mount could be wider or more stable. On my diesel pickup, I noticed some wobble when idling or at very low speeds, likely due to engine vibration. A sturdier mount would pretty much help here. Next up is parking mode behavior. Compared to some brands that let collision detection and time-lapse parking recording run at the same time, the N4 Pro S app UI suggests that you select one primary parking mode. In actual use though, I noticed that the camera can still save impact or event clips even when motion detection, low frame rate, or low bitrate mode is selected. Although these were mostly triggered when entering or exiting the vehicle and closing the doors. It's also worth noting that collision detection mode records footage after an impact rather than capturing the exact moment it happens. Because of that, using motion detection, low frame rate, or low bitrate mode can be more practical choice if you want a better chance of capturing the full sequence of a parking incident, from before to after it happens. So overall, if you're looking for a dashcam that prioritizes video clarity, especially when it comes to license plates and you want a clean, true 3-channel setup, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is something that I can suggest. The STARVIS 2 sensors across all cameras really make a difference, and the feature set makes sense for daily driving, rideshare use, or even truck and overland setups. If you want to check out the Vantrue N4 Pro S, I'll leave a link in the description and the tag product below. So if this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more gear reviews, and I'll see you on the next one.